Good afternoon, guys. We're out here on the Vespa, and we're just going to be taking you on a little neighborhood ride. And the sun is shining. I got my shorts on. It's just a beautiful day. So thank you for joining me. Here we go. Bike we're on today is a 2008 Vespa LX150, and it's just an awesome bike. So got a full tank of gas, and thank you for joining. We're just going to be sticking to the neighborhood today. It's a beautiful day for some sun. And it should be pretty awesome. I think this is a great vehicle for this. There we go. I'll just be taking a left here and hitting the neighborhoods. There we go. Sweet. Yeah, it is April 12th today, and it is kind of the first week of all sunshine, so this is going to be nice. You can see the daffodils are out. Just a beautiful day here. I guess we could turn off our turn signal. And we got our first hill. I'm 6 foot, 205 pounds, and we're just going to be cruising up this hill on this 150cc Vespa. No problem. Whee! All right, hitting our turn signal. We're going to be taking a brief right. There we go. Watch out for the FedEx truck, will go wide. Whoa, when you get in the shade, it is cold. Must be taking a little soft right here. Yeah, beautiful Saturday. I got all my chores done early. So just kayaked, and now we're on the Vespa. Just getting some sunshine. I love this view. Look at this. Incredible house. But yeah, we're just going to be sticking to about 25 miles an hour here, which is the speed limit. And besides that, oh, look at this. Here's some deer. Here's some deer crossing. You probably see them. You can see them there crossing the street. We'll just go real quiet so we don't disturb anyone. Here's our deer. Oh, either go boys. Yeah. Oh, there's more. Big deer. Oh, some people walking. It's got a nice cruise, 20 miles an hour here. Beautiful day. We're just gonna go left so we give the good dog some room. Oh, he's a good dog. He's a good dog. Yeah, this is the first ride on the Vespa with its full tank of gas. I think it took just about a gallon of gas, which is awesome. But this is a really good bike. If you're looking at getting a scooter, this is definitely one of the most smooth, relaxing, kind of, almost going to use the word sophisticated scooter you can get. This thing is just awesome. You don't have to know a thing about motorcycles or scooters to look at this thing and smile. It gets a lot of attention when you're out and about on it. As far as fun factor goes, it's definitely fun. I think the Buddy is just a little bit more fun, and I think that's just due to it being just a lot lighter. It's just really just a light scooter. Whereas this one's got a little bit more heft and stability to it. But both are still good bikes. Well, we're just going to be taking a right. Here we go. We're just kind of coasting at 25 miles an hour. I like to go slow through these neighborhoods because you never know who's walking their dog around the next corner. We're just gonna go see my favorite tree in the whole neighborhood. It's this gorgeous rose bush. There we go. We're gonna stick to the left so we don't run into anyone. Just gonna cruise in. Look at these beautiful trees. Look at this. This is a magnolia tree. Look at that. I'm just going to pull over and get a quick picture. That is awesome. Look at that. That's cool. All right, let's get this air-cooled Vespa back on the road. And this is, I probably can't tell in the video, but this is an extremely steep hill. And then there's my favorite bush. Look at that. It's like a tree. This is just so cool over here. You just kind of go around. Yeah, this is so neat. Look at that view. Okay, well, we're just gonna head back around. This has been awesome so far. Very scenic route. And we're just going to be taking a left and kind of meandering back through the neighborhood. Taking a little left and going back down the scenic route. Oh, this is just so pretty. Let's get another reverse view here. Oh, this is awesome. Great ride today. Thank you guys again for joining. And if you're new here, remember to subscribe, like the video, and you'll get more content. Thanks again. Oh, there's a kitty. Yeah, one thing that's really cool about this bike is just how quiet it is. You can really cruise the neighborhoods and not disturb anyone. And not only not disturb them, they don't even know you're there. It's so quiet. Oh, here's that good dog. Oh, he's dragging a stick. He's got his stick. He's a good boy. Yeah. What a good dog. And go to the wide left. That's one thing with this Vespa is people can't hear you. I always give people a lot of room so I don't disturb them. Okay, we're just gonna coast down this hill and back up through town. Oh, he's being a good dog. Man, I feel great after kayaking. It feels good. It feels good to get out a bit. To even do no hands. Vespa, no hands. No problem. The thing about the Vespa is, oh my god, it's so stable. Look at this. I mean, as long as I had the throttle, I could just keep going. But we'll slow down. Take a right. Whee! Yeah, look, no hands. That's so funny. I need a foot pedal for gas. That'd be hilarious. Well, I could just cruise no-handed. There we go up the hill. Again, I'm 205 pounds and this little Vespa with its 150cc has no signs of slowing down. We're just gonna go straight. There we go. I'll stop. Okay, now we're going to take a left. It's clear. To the left. And there we go. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me. This has been awesome. This concludes our ride. I hope you guys had an amazing ride with me. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much. And if you're new here, please subscribe. You'll get more of this content. Appreciate you guys so much and hope you have an awesome day. Take care.